Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here, and today I'm going to show you how to prune or trim your mums. Now, these mums you're looking at were all given to me from people who were just throwing them out. They were in pots. I planted them late fall and they all came back. So today I'm going to show you how to prune them in the spring so you're ready for the fall. So this is my mum that I have right now. This started growing in the spring, and you don't want your mum to get really high in the summertime. You want it to be just nice in the fall. So this is the middle of May. So what I'm going to do is trim this mum down just halfway. And then around July 4th, I'll trim it again, and that'll be it. And then come the fall, it'll be ready for the fall flowering. So I'm doing about halfway. And I have other mums, as you saw at the beginning of the video, that are a little small right now. So I'm going to wait for those till probably July because they're really small right now. This mum here, I'm going to trim now, and I'll trim it again in July. But again, just halfway. And I'll do another halfway come July. And it should be ready for the fall. It looks pretty good there. Again, I just use these little clippers. I'm just eyeing it up. I'm down low. Looks pretty good. So I'll go around and do the other ones that are pretty big, and I'll leave the small ones again till probably July, and I'll trim them back about halfway. This one I'll trim again halfway when July comes. So again, if you haven't subscribed to our page, please do. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It gives us ideas on which videos to post. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.